Here we go guys, I'm back once again today with a platform that can help you find a tutor, a private tutor to teach you any language that you are interested in. Let's do this one. Go to Google and type in learnkey.com. That's a wrong spelling, but this is the spelling we are going to type in, LRNKEY.com, and here it is. And the results at the top, learnkey.com. Now this is how the platform looks. You can just type in the language that you're interested to learn. I'm interested to learn French. Type in French, click find tutor, and here we are. We have here 4 tutors available right now. It's like Gohar Anbardismun, whatever the name is guys, and there is Zarifut Jibril. He also offers a free trial lesson guys, so I think you can try a free lesson and then you can decide if you really want to go with that one or not, and even no credit card required for that purpose. And you can also search other languages that you're interested in. Let's check how about business English. Okay, here it is. Let's see how many people did we find in here. 4 tutors available. Okay, and again the same person. So you have options here. Some are pretty expensive, some are like really low price, and some are offering again free trial lessons. So guys, you can compare and pick one. Go for a trial lesson and see how it works for you. And now also I would like to share with you that if you are looking to become a tutor on this platform, here it is. Now you have to go at the bottom of the page, and here you will click on become a tutor. Okay, you obviously have to sign up with them, punch in all details as they require, and you then become a tutor depending on what kind of language you're really good in and what you can really teach people with that language, if you can really teach them or not. So you can always try that, either learn a new language or teach people by yourself a language that you're really good at guys. So that will be all for today guys. If you have any questions, send across. I'll try my best to answer you guys. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Have a great day. Cheers.